Charanagar is a settlement of the Charas in the outskirts of Ahmedabad. Charas is one of those tribes which was notified as a criminal tribe under the Criminal Tribes Act of 1871 by the British government and later as a denotified tribe by the Indian government. Charas have historically been associated with committing petty thefts but are now a reformed society. The video will talk about the Charas, their way of life, about the Budhan Theatre, and will end with a few recommendations from the group.
Chara people live a very simple life and the community is very close-knit. No instances of communal disharmony have been observed in the area, and in fact they saved lives of over 300 Muslims in the riots of 2002. Almost all of Chara children get education and there are 2 private schools present in the area. Chara marriages are an occasion for the whole community to get together and almost whole of the village ends up organizing the marriage. Chara speak 2 languages. One is Bamta, which is a language of day-to-day use, while one is Narsi Parsi, a coded language which is used when the police is present.
Budhan Theatre is a theatre of the Chara community. It can now boast of a set of very dedicated and talented children artists. The introduction of the theatre into the community was very pleasant, as nothing positive was ever said or written about from a time since 1998. The theatre is a platform for showcasing talent which might otherwise never had a chance for expression. It is a cry for empathy.
काम करके अच्छी जिंदगी जीना चाहता है. They don't want to be exploited again and again by the police department and the state government. तो ये जो सारी systems है ना, वो मतलब ये थिएटर के माध्यम से क्या हुआ है सर कि एक्सपोजर बाहर मिला. लोगों को मालूम पड़ा है कि बाहर के लोग किस तरह से जीवन जीते हैं. लेकिन 15-20 साल पहले तो ये था कि भाई चोरी तो जैसे वो मतलब इट वाज पार्ट ऑफ एवरीवन्स लाइफ कि भाई जिंदा रहना है तो चोरी तो करना पड़ेगा, तो तुम खाओगे क्या. तो ये जो मेंटेलिटी थी कि भाई नहीं, चोरी इज अ क्राइम एंड इट शुड बी रेडिकेटेड फ्रॉम आवर लाइफस्टाइल्स. तो वो जो पूरी मेंटेलिटी थी, जब एक्सपोजर मिला बच्चों को, बाहर गए, बाहर देखा, बाहर की दुनिया से मिले, और तब मालूम पड़ा कि नहीं, हमारी जो लाइफस्टाइल है एक्चुअली वी आर आई मीन डूइंग क्राइम. वो चीज़ से हमको दूर होना चाहिए. और यही मतलब पिछले थिएटर ने जो किया है उसने यही किया है. पिछले 10 साल में बहुत सारी सक्सेस स्टोरीज भी हैं. आपको मतलब इफ़ यू गो थ्रू फाइल ऑफ द मीडिया, हमारी जो पूरी उसमें आप देखेंगे बहुत सारी सक्सेस स्टोरी.
सबको पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है? क्या क्या अच्छा लगता है पढ़ने में? क्या
नाटक करना, किताबें पढ़ते.
इंग्लिश पढ़ते हो? इंग्लिश अच्छी लगती है? और मैथ्स अच्छी लगती है? ठीक ठाक लगती है, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है ना. और बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो आप सब? पढ़ाना चाहते हो? उधर थिएटर में एयर होस्टेस।
मैं बुद्धन थिएटर में काम करना चाहती
और
हूँ।
आप?
मैं डॉक्टर।
डॉक्टर।
आप
मैं भी बुद्धन थिएटर में काम करना चाहती हूँ। मैं तो जज बनना चाहती हूँ। मैं बुद्धन थिएटर में काम करना
और
चाहती हूँ।
मूवी में कौन जाना चाहता है? मूवी कौन? पिक्चर वगैरह, फिल्म, हीरोइन?
हमारे लिए नाटक आते हैं, वही में काम
नाटक
करेंगे।
बहुत है।
हाँ।
नाटक अच्छा होता है।
हाँ।
Looking at all the situation that we saw in Charanagar, we sort of went through the entire situation, read up a lot on this issue, and came up with a set of recommendations for the state, which we feel that will improve their plight. The first thing that we want the state to do is to is to issue very strict orders to the police to not take up any sort of database of the Chara youth, which is being done currently in an unauthorized manner. They should not target the Chara youth and maintain a database and personal data of all these youths. The second important point that we want is unemployment among these youth. If other communities are not ready to lend jobs to these people, then they can start enterprises of their own, but the constraining factor is capital. So banks should be encouraged, at least state banks should be allowed to, encouraged to extend loans to these people. The fourth important point is the lack of awareness among a lot of people. For example, when we went, we were not at all aware of such horrendous treatment that is being meted out to people, say 10 kilometers from where we stay. So creation of awareness among normal people is very important, so that they are also brought into the picture to campaign for the betterment of these people. And a last important point that the state should take up is they should encourage the creation of a pan-Indian DNT community, so that there's a more political power that is being vested in these communities, because they are scattered all over the country that they don't have any political voice. So a pan-Indian DNT would definitely help.
I believe we as a society have a very large role towards these marginalized sections. Most of these communities are very talented, and we should provide them with platforms where they can showcase their talent. We should hold workshops and citizens forums where people can come forward and discuss the steps taken to improve the status of these societies.